Welcome guys, welcome. So today we'll be completing our last part, which is a Cucumber BDD part, right? We'll be adding the Cucumber part, smoke features, and we will be adding the scenario outline as well as with the data driven also. Okay, so all three things we are going to add. So last time what we have done, we have basically started with Cucumber BDD. Cucumber is a tool for running automation test cases. We discussed about how to wire it. It's a simple process. First of all, you need to use a TS configuration. You need to use world.ts, hook.ts, followed by the feature and step definition file. We created a Cucumber.js file. Then we have seen word.js and hook.js files, which we have done. Then we have started installation of our smoke. Here you can see the smoke file, and here you can see the spec file. So in this smoke file, we have written one scenario. First of all, how this smoke file basically is there. We create a feature file. So if you go to the feature file, right, what do you see is we will have a keyword with the name of feature. What exactly this feature do? We are basically just logging into the TTA card. So here we will mention that verify that Cucumber plus Playwright wiring end-to-end driving is working to the custom world. That's it. And here is the real scenario. So here it is saying that as a standard user, I can log into the inventory. Given I am on the TTA login page, I am a standard user and inventory is this. Now what happened is each line, these three lines, everyone, not this line, or this line, only given when then is something which is mapped to the step definition. So what we will do is we created a functions. So first of all, we have got the given when then from the Cucumber, and then we got a support file. Then we have a given followed by this is a function. In the given function, we will first of all type the keyword. Okay, this guy will completely match with this. Followed by the async function, we will pass the custom word. What is a word file? First of all, right? In the Cucumber support, we have created a word file. Word file basically has all the pages. Word basically means that it's a binding of your whatever the login pages that you have. So you have a login pages, you have inventory pages, cart page, checkout page, all these pages, right? Your base URL, your credentials. So custom word is very similar where it will extend the word of kind of Cucumber, and it will have browser context page, all the login pages, everything will be there and initialized. It is basically acting like a fixtures, if you remember everyone. Yes or no? Before we start anything, automatically we can see that word basically contains everything. It contains all of your login page, all the pages are initialized, everything is initialized. So this contains everything in this case. Okay, so what we have done is we call this function custom word, and we are marking this as a this. Okay, this is the keyword, and we are calling this with the login. So what we are doing is this.login basically means we are calling this guy. So we are calling this guy, and we are basically telling that open. In the login page, we already have a function of open that we have already created, which will open our login.path, which is nothing but our whatever the website that we have, right? So same thing we have done. Here we have login. Here we have login as a username, and here we have assertions. All these are nothing but pre-made functions that we have already presented into login page that we have done. So this is what we have basically added. So if you see, we have to do this configuration, which is installation of Cucumber 1. If you have not done, you can just see that also. All right. So how do we run it then? Can't we use the fixture that we have already created? Ideally, the fixture that we have already created, they are good for the pay when we are not using Cucumber, without Cucumber. Here, the word and the hook that we are going to create, they're specific for Cucumber only. That's why we have a different type of a custom word in this case. Then how do we run it? It's simple. Now you just need to type the command. So there is something called as npm run Cucumber, and here you can mention the tag name, whatever the tag name that you want to run. So level 0 tag name, we can run it directly. One more thing, everyone, you have to do is go to extensions, and there is an extension with the name of Cucumber. Everyone, you can install this extension if possible. It will give you a proper view of feature files which you can directly use them. Here we have the configurations. So first of all, make sure we are installing the Cucumber. We are installing the TS node. TS node will be already available because we already have done this, everyone, because we have already worked with Playwright. Then we will make sure that our Playwright is already installed, but by default, because we are already using Chromium, everyone, it is already installed. Then we can run the configuration, which is Cucumber level 0. If it's say missing scripts or something, right, it means that we need to go back to our folders. Here, everything will be available in the word file. It's a glue between the spec file and the feature file. And we have a hook file basically contains all the before all, after all, whatever we are doing, all this. We have a smoke. So we can run this command, which is npm run test BDD. It will just try to find the all the step directly. Okay. So do we have run configuration in package.json? Let's see. This is the command which we are using. So it is going to run this command, which is cucumber.js. So when you say npm run test bdd, here automatically this will find your first test. So if you run npx, basically the command basically means cucumber. It will basically try to do that same thing, but ideally you should use the shortcut which we have used, npm run test bdd. So if you see, automatically it has basically found the first test case. So one scenario it is saying that I was able to get it 3 steps fast and everything is there. And interesting stuff, if you see here also that this is a feature file which we have able to run it automatically by using this. It is super simple, not a difficult one. Just the important things are you need to remember is key, it has a proper way to run it. So let me reiterate what we have done. First of all, you will create a feature file. This is the plain English code. Then we have a spec file. They are connected with hooks. Hooks is a one-time process that you will create. In the hook, what we have mentioned that before anything, we need to start Chromium. After all, we basically close the Chromium. In the before, we will initialize all the pages if you see, right? Yes or no? Before starting any test case, we are using the custom world fixture and we are going to initialize everything. And after when we are done, we will close all the page context, everything, context also, page also, and anything also in this. Okay, because we want a screenshots also side by side. So this is how you are going to create it in this case. Let's create a furthermore basic second step. So you can run by using tag name also. So if you use test BDD, it will run all the test case. So by the way, you can mention the level 0 like this also. npm please run the cucumber. He's saying that missing script cucumber level 0 to see the scripts and npm run. npm run. Let me check what are the scripts we have. Yes, we do not have everyone. We need to add it, which means we have to go to package.json. From here, test BDD that we have added, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add one more cucumber hyphen level 0. So somebody if mention level 0, what we need to do? We need to run cucumber hyphen js hyphen profile is equal to level 0. This will run this code. If somebody mentioned npm run this 0, we will run cucumber.js with the profile level 0. So similarly, you can create for all the ones also. The level 1, level 2, level 3. I have added cucumber level 0, profile 0, profile 1, profile 2, and in a headed mode also. If somebody wants to use a headed mode also, we can also add configuration of directly. If somebody mentioned cucumber is this shortcut. If somebody says tdd with report, then what we are going to do, we will open the report also, everyone. If I run the same command, everyone, bdd with followed by report, then what will happen? It will open my report also, everyone. And this is how my report look like. It's a default report of cucumber. Very old, right? Not that good. I don't like it. Ours is way better than that. We can add integration also with our custom report also if possible. Okay. So what I will do is, meanwhile, I will ask him, this is my smoke feature. So can we take the help from Claude also? Meanwhile, we are learning with level 1 or level 2. What I will do is I will ask this guy, can you do one thing? We have a custom reporter which is already created and we have added an integration of a cucumber right now into our this framework. I want you to do one thing. Basically, this is a feature file or spec file that we are running. Feature file is already available, which I'm going to also tag it. Can you basically create a way or a command in the package.json where we will run the feature file directly, right? And when we open it, our custom reporter should be open, and add an integration also of custom reporter into the smoke.spec.ts file or smoke.feature file. First of all, let me know how the integration will happen and what are the functions that you are going to change in custom reporter, and then add it. Guys, it's going to be a little high task, okay? Because whatever the integration that we have done, it is not according to cucumber. It was actually a previous one. We have not done it into this, okay? So it will take little time and it will try to understand also. In this case, this was a simple one that we have added. We have added our package.json. If you see, if somebody wants to run it in headed mode, level 2, level 1, we are going to create now. Level 0 is just a simple way to be running it. And here you can see if somebody wants to run smoke, so you can directly run a tag also based on that. If you want to run a profile, actually we have created a full profile overall and then followed by the tag. And if somebody wants to know what is the difference between tag and profile, I think you can ask from Claude also. He will give you reply based on that. Let's go with the second one also then. In the second level, what do we have? So here, let me create a folder with the name of feature again. Okay, for you guys, I'm just creating a feature folders, everyone. You will not create a folder again and again. You can have your one folder. In that folder, you can have unlimited number of ones. In the feature file, I'm going to create a new file, which will be login.feature. So what I have done, I will just mark this as a level 1 and I will say that this is a login in this case. Okay, so now this is going to be a feature. We'll say this is a TTA card login. It's not a one login, everyone. We are going to do multiple logins. We can use a background. What is background? Background basically means anything which is common. Now, every time that you do login, we need a background, which is I am on the TTA card login page. This is common across all these scenarios. So consider the scenario ki sir, we are writing a scenarios. Let's suppose, so given that I am on a this, so background basically means it's very similar to before all. Suppose we are running 3 scenarios, 1 scenario, 2 scenario, 3 scenario. For every scenario, this is actually common, kind of precondition, right? Yes. So what is the first scenario? First scenario is, as a standard user, when I log in with the standard username and password, I will be able to land on a product page. This is my positive test case, everyone. Yes or no? And then we can have a secondary test case also. Bilkul iske jaisa hi, everyone. Negative test case where we are using logged out test cases. And then we have a rejective test case also. So tino scenario, okay? Ki first scenario. Now here you can see given is missing in all of them. Why? Given is common. That's why we have kept it into background. This is called as whatever is common in the scenario, we can have it into a background, like a precondition. Precondition of every scenario is actually this. Now we need to write a spec file also, which basically match for them. Either you can ask AI to do it, but anyways, we will basically use it. First of all, we will implement or import our files, given, when, then, expect, as well as custom word. Then we will have a given. So how this function basically is are given followed given, then it will match with this guy. Complete match. Isko copy करके बिल्कुल as it is लिखना है. Followed by async function, which will take the async function. There is no name that we are using. We'll say this, and this is going to be our custom word. What we can do in this one, we want this dot login page dot open, and this is the only thing that we want. So given mein to sir we have to do this thing. Can we use given and background both in any scenario? Precondition different. Then if the precondition different, then background will run in every scenario. So you have to use it very smartly. If you have a different one, then you will not use the background, everyone. To go away from this code, that's why we have done it. We have to do this one every time, right? To basically don't use this repetitive English. That's why we have used background. Similarly, we can do when code also. We know the functions login as username, password. Now here comes the string. So if you see, we have passed the parameter as a standard user. Now this value will be automatically given to this string and automatically will be given to user here. This is called as variable injection in the Cucumber. So automatically, whatever the English that you have typed, you use a variable with the name of string and string. So it will be value string and string. These two value will be come to username and password functions mein, and then you can pass them to a login as. Then we need to write the then of this. We are on a product page, which is a product.loaded function. Then we need to check the logout also. So for logout, what do we have? Here we have, I can see the login error containing this. So login error, do not match function, which is a string again. Similarly, we have this logged out also. Just create a very similar to that, we see a logged out function. Okay, so we will just copy this. I think these are same, everyone. The interesting thing is, do we need two times? No, because the concept here, if you see, we are using one then. This is also same. If you see, both of them are same. The only difference is this string. If you see, sir, here your message will be logged out and here the message will be do not match. So that's why we created only one then. How many of you are able to understand that we can reuse the then, we can reuse the given, we can reuse the when also if it is required, right? So based on this parameter fragment, we are basically expecting a different versions. If it is a logged out one, different output. If it is a different one, different out. So here logged out as well as do not match, reusability, everyone. 2 English parameters and 1 function, everyone. Here the test case and feature file is always in a different folder. Feature file will be in the, this is English file. Feature file will be in feature file, smoke file, or you can say your step file. ये smoke नहीं है, इसका नाम है step. I think I have given a wrong name, everyone. The name is step. Now, how do I run it? You can use by using level 1. It will run right now into a, if you see 3 times. Okay, there is one problem it has found. Logged out user के लिए I think there is some issue he has able to find it. It has taken a screenshot also. Okay, do not match also. He is facing some issues also. But anyways, if you see 10 steps run, 3 scenarios are completely run and everything. Our RCA bot did not run. Why? What is the reason for it? Because no LLM key was set. Okay.